a beautiful marigold flower, right? And a beautiful tree full of green leaves and beautiful flowers in a tub, in a small tub. It is a ceramic tub. You can see we all have these kinds of tubs, like plastics or ceramic tubs in our terrace. We all have that, and we care for them, right? We care for them. We give water, and our mother and our father, all family members care for them, right? And we cherish them. But do you know that they are not happy? The trees itself is not happy. The very tree that you are caring for, and it is because of us, because of you and me, who are caring for them, that these trees are not happy. Why? Because trees have a different kind of communication system, right? See, we humans communicate through verbal communication, through gestures and all kind of things, right? But trees do not have these kind of gesture and verbal communication. They communicate with their roots. They have small, tiny, sensitive parts of their roots through which they communicate with their parents, with their loved ones, with their friends, families, and brothers and sisters. And through the mycelium network that they are connected to, they talk to each other. They give messages. If they are getting threatened, so they communicate to each other. And we all know that communication is very important. If you cannot communicate with anyone else, you will get isolated. And that is the very situation that these tubs in our terraces, these tubs are getting isolated because they are isolated in a tub, right? Their roots cannot reach out for their friends. Their roots cannot reach out for their parents, and they cannot talk to each other. They cannot share messages, share their pain or love or anything. They cannot share. Think about it. If you get isolated if someone isolated you in a black room, in a small tiny room, and just fed you, just to keep you alive, how would it feel? You cannot talk to your friends, you cannot talk to your parents, your loved ones, no one can hear you. It's a pathetic situation. It's a horrible situation. You can think of it. So if you guys have a terrace and you guys have these kinds of tubs and you cherish them and you love trees in general, I would request you, please break those tubs and put them in your garden where they can communicate through the soil, through their mycelium network, through their roots, so they can be happy, actually happy, so they can be as free as we are. Give them the freedom they want, they need. Just because they cannot talk to us directly, through verbal communication, we think that they are okay. I am giving them water, they are getting sunlight, and it's all right for them, but it is not. We all need, all the plants, all the animals, everyone needs communication, everyone need a shoulder to rely on. So I would request all of you to come together and give them the shoulder to rely on. Give them the family they need. Give them the friends they need or they wanted. Thank you very much. Be curious, ask questions all the time, and never believe anything else except you.